so tired of this Sprayground limited edition 1 million tag. It's so annoying. I just want to cut it. Hold up. Can I even cut it? Hold up. Not much information is on here, but hey, I'm gonna cut it if I want to.
Don't do it. Just don't do it.
But what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Talu, man. If you know, you know. If you really don't know, hit the subscribe button down below right there. Like, comment, share, subscribe, interact with me in the comment below, and let me know what's up. I just want to know how your day is going. And ladies and gentlemen, it's fuego. But let's get straight to the point, okay? So if you have a Sprayground bag, right, and this is getting annoying to you and you don't like it, doesn't look too appealing to you, but do you want to cut it or not? So somebody asked me in my comment down below, and I'm so thankful they asked me this question because I was wondering the same thing. So I DM'd Sprayground, right? I DM'd the owner and he said, don't cut it. Why don't cut it? Because if anything happened to your limited edition bag, you can ship it in and then they can replace it or they can patch it up for you. But don't cut it because they want to know if the bag is legit, okay? Because there's a lot of fake Sprayground bag out there and they just want to know if it's legit, okay? So if you do cut it, make sure you save this tag right here and ship it in. Just save it somewhere. If you're like me, I lose things, so that's why I'm gonna keep this on. But if you don't lose things, make sure you save this. Anything happened to your bag, like right here, you know, something happened to my bag, you know, I started zipping my backpack and I cut my bag, but I'm not gonna ship it in. That's just a little minor, you know, situation, but I'm not gonna ship it in to get it fixed. But yes, you can cut it, but just make sure you save it somewhere and so they can know your bag is legit if you ship it in to get it fixed. And man, but for me, it always comes out to fashion. If you're a person who think this look good on the bag, keep it on. If you don't think it look good, you know, cut it. But it's all about preference at the end of the day. I'm so thankful, like one of my supporters asked this questions and one of my viewers asked this question as well, and I just want to get it out there to everybody who don't have the correct information on this. I got a confirmed notification from Sprayground saying yes, you can cut it, and no, don't cut it. They recommend don't cut it for a good purpose. And yeah, they said cut it if you don't like it, but just make sure you save it somewhere nice, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, man, that's a bag from Sprayground. This is the gold tag. This is the gold tag $1 million limited edition. If you have this, your bag is very special, and you can ship it in and get it replaced anytime, you know, for a lifetime. So that's a good thing from Sprayground. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm also doing a giveaway from Boohoo Mans, and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give 2 lucky supporters of my outfit from Boohoo Man, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, everything's fuego. Thanks for the views. Thanks for the support. I love you guys, man. Keep it blessed. Keep it safe, family. Yes, sir. I'm out. It's your boy Talu, man. Peace.